Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE+. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to, and then click on your device's displays. Now I need to rotate my tablet real quick. And when you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of Samsung device and receive right next to send at the bottom of your tablet. Also on Samsung smartphone, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit receive button. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!